My name's Brent with Austin Off-Leash Canine Training. Excuse me. We have Calicifer here. He's about 4.5-year-old mixed breed. Got some German Shepherd in him, I believe. He's here for a 2-week board and train. Biggest issues is taking stuff out of the trash, and at his age, he's still trying to mark the house. So we're gonna work on that, but we're gonna put on first solid basic training so he has a sense of accountability to his owners, that he just doesn't get to do whatever he wants to do. I already had a session with him, and he's nice and stubborn. So what I want you to do is just kind of watch. We're going to go through what he does know, and then I want you to check in about 2 weeks in on his progress. So what he does, or what we want to see what he knows, is come, sit, down, and place. Place is important. Just going to put him on a place cot or put him to the side while people are around. You ready? Come. Good boy. Good boy. Sit is not his forte. Calicifer, sit. Sit. Light touch on the butt. Sit. Sit. Nope. Does not want to do that. Down. 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 Nope. None of that. Come here. Place. Come on. Place. Come on. Place. Come on. Do one. Give me one. Come on. All right. Other than a hesitant come, which is our recall, Calicifer starting at 0. And he's a big dog. I guess I gotta go back to the gym. All right, like I said, check it in 2 weeks. Come on.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
got Charles and
Calcifer.
Calcifer. Okay. I ended up calling him just cauliflower during the whole thing because it's something I could remember. But he listened, so it's the same.
We should have told you Cal works too. Like
Calvin, yeah. So he was here for the 2-week board and train. He was awesome. Today's turnover was really sweet too. But what was he like before he came? What was it like during the 2 weeks? And then what was it like today on the handover, learning all the new skills?
Well, before he wasn't very controllable. He's a very curious dog, so he'll kind of wander to do whatever he wanted to. But
yes, he will.
Seeing him now after the 2 weeks, he's still retaining that curiosity, but it's a lot more under control now, for sure. And on my end of things, it was a very educational experience as well, I'd say.
Awesome. What was it like when he was gone? I know you have 3 other dogs, so it was a total of 4. So it really wasn't a vacation, but like, how did you like the process of the report cards and kind of seeing what he was doing each day?
It was really nice to know that he was okay.
Yes.
Day.
Yes.
It started out kind of a little worrisome, and I appreciated that you were letting us know that he wasn't really eating all that much, but you kept those reports coming so that we knew that he wasn't like trying to starve himself or anything like that. So we appreciate it. It was good to see that you could tell that he was like anxious about being away from home.
Yeah.
But he was also being well taken care of.
Awesome. What was today like? You did well, man. You took to it real quick. I liked it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, very educational, very informative. Yeah.
Awesome.
I've certainly learned a few things myself.
Yeah, there's a lot of nuances to dog training. Would you recommend Austin off-leash canine training for someone in the future?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm thinking about it for my other dogs too.
Awesome. Well, all right. I'm going to let you guys go and you can get home to that pack.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, man.
Thank you.